Hello everyone, today we are going to observe or do the practical 3 of science part 1 to observe the following reactions and classify them into the types combination, displacement, decomposition and double displacement. The first reaction is with the reaction with the slake lime or uh, actually we are going to use here quick lime. So here what you are the different observation you have to do. So the heat is absorbed or evolved during the reaction, so vigorous reaction takes place, the dish become warm, that is heat is evolved. Note whether the gas or the vapor is given away in the reaction. The water vapors are formed and given away in the reaction, that is the observation. Then yes, if there is noise produced during the action, hissing sound is produced during the action, as you can notice. The note the change in the physical state. The aqueous sodium hydroxide is aqueous calcium hydroxide is formed, so that you have to manage. This is the reaction that you have to note, and the inference is like this. It is the exothermic reaction since heat is involved, and the natural reaction. Here the calcium hydroxide and water react to form the calcium hydroxide. Calcium oxide and water react to form calcium hydroxide, and this is a combination reaction. It is clear that the clear solution is obtained after the suspension settles, and it is called as a lime water. So when you dissolve this calcium oxide into water, so it would be lime water that would be seen, and it's the clear suspension is settling at the bottom. So this reaction is known as the combination reaction. Now the second reaction which we talk about here is the effect of heat on the crystals of ferrous sulfate. So here the observations you should note down here. Before noting down observation, you have to label the different part. This is the test tube holder, then the test tube, then the ferrous sulfate is there, and the burner is there. So here the observation is, note the original color of the ferrous sulfate, it is light green as you can see, and here note the color of the gas evolved during heating, so it is a reddish brown color. Note the color of the substance in the cold test tube, so the color is reddish or red, so it is almost brown. So this is reaction here. On heating, the mixture of the FeSO4, and that is ferrous sulfate, and water gases are formed. Then a residue of red color remains in the test tube. You can see the red or the brownish red color, and this is the decomposition reaction. Since two or more products, as you can see, FeO3, that is ferric oxides, SO2, that is sulfur dioxide, and SO3, these are the different products that are formed. So when there is two or more products that are formed in the reaction from the same compound or single compound, it is called a decomposition reaction. So now the third reaction is the reaction of solution of copper sulfate with iron nail. So here you have to write down here, label this iron nail copper sulfate solution, then CuSO4 solution, and this iron nail. This is after reaction, this is before reaction, and these are the different observations. The color of the CuSO4, that is copper sulfate solution, before the experiment it is blue. The color of iron nail before the experiment it is steel gray or the gray. Actually steel gray is the proper word. The color of the copper sulfate solution after experiment it is bluish green. Color of the iron after experiment is reddish brown. So here the color of the iron would be reddish brown. Here this is the reaction, and these are the different observation. So here on immersing the brown colored nails in blue colored copper solution, uh, they displace copper from the copper sulfate solution, and the color becomes and their color becomes reddish brown. This is a displacement reaction. So greenish color of the solution shows the iron has displaced copper from the copper sulfate solution. So the color of the copper sulfate has changed to the green now, from blue to green. Now here it comes the third fourth and the last reaction, that is the reaction between sodium sulfate and barium chloride. So here in this experiment, the color and the nature of the sodium sulfate solution before experiment, it is colorless and aqueous. Here the color of the nature of the barium chloride solution before experiment, it is also colorless and aqueous. Now the color of the nature of the mixture resulting into the on mixing the two solutions. When we mix each other, we form the formation of the curdy white precipitate, that is white precipitate in the form of curd that would be forming there. So here you can see the reaction. So conclusion is, on the reaction, white color insoluble BaSO4, that is barium sulfate, is formed as a result of white color precipitate is formed in the beaker. So this is a double displacement reaction. Here, as you can see, in the previous reaction also, or previous practical reaction, I also mentioned that here you can see the barium has replaced the sodium, and the chloride is combining with the sodium of this sodium sulfate. So here both are displacing each other, and therefore it is known as double displacement reaction. So as you can see, the multiple choice question, the answer for the first is the C, the second is A, third is C, fourth is C, and the answer for the fifth is C. So that's it guys, complete the record and come prepared for the practical. Watch again and again before coming to the practical, and make sure that you would be comfortable enough to perform the practicals. So your practical journal should be complete, and you can observe the video, another video shared with you for performing the practical. So that's it from this video guys. Wish you all the best. See you in the practical. Bye.